This bird we have the Congo and the teammate. Oh, there you go. Well, this is going to be a little competition, okay? So since we have two groups, which we divided by the stair, okay, from this side, you guys will cheer for Coco, okay? Coco, don't go over the, your side is here. Don't cross the border. Okay, so again, from this side, you will cheer for Coco. And from that side, you guys will cheer for Frida. Okay, remember the name?
Yeah.
So let's do it. And whoever will put the bird on the ball inside the tree trunk will be considered as the winner. Let's see. There you go. 1, 2, 3.
Frida! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Frida, go, go! Go, Frida, go! Go, Frida! Go, go, go! Frida! Yeah! Good
This round,
job!
Coco won the game, okay? Well, let's start. Let's give chance for Frida. Maybe she can beat Coco this time. Let's see, Coco. Let's do it.
Frida, go! Frida, go! Go, go, Frida, go! Frida, go! Frida, go! Frida, go! Go! One more, Frida, go! Frida, go! Go, go, Frida! Go, 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 go! Quickly go! Yes!
Oh, there you go. Still Coco won. There you go. Coco is very fast this morning anyway. Well, when I ask you a round of applause for Coco and Frida, they did a really great job. Okay, for this round. There you go.
Thank you, Frida.
Okay, so once again, let's give a big round of applause for Coco Lady. Here we go.
Wow.
Okay, so once again, this is Lady, our blue and gold macaw from South American rainforest or Latin America, just like Brazil, Colombia, and Puerto Rico. Joining Lady, we also have Jollibee. While blue and gold macaw is considered as one of the longest living bird in the world, as they can live up to 60 years and more. Imagine, 60 years and more. And if you guys remember the white bird a while ago, okay, the one that trainer Randy showed to you, okay, that species of bird can live up to 100 years.
Oh my God.
Yes. And this morning we are going to talk about the physical features of this bird, and we will start with the tail. Okay, as you can see, they have this long tail which they use as a steering, just like a steering wheel when they are flying. So meaning when they want to turn left or turn right, they will move it from left to right like this. It depends on the direction that they are about to go through. And when they want to stop or slow down, so what they do, they will open the tail, you see that? By simply moving it forward, they will use it as a brake. They have two distinct colors, so what are those colors? The blue and yellow. So that's the name blue and gold macaw, or blue and yellow macaw. Jollibee and Lady will show you this beautiful
Jollibee.
colors. That's right. 1, 2, and I'll show these colors. Alright, there you go. Great job. And aside from that, as you can see, this bird, they have this curved, powerful beak which they use to break the shell, even the hardest nuts in the wall, just like the walnut. So we got a customized bucket here. Bulky, Jollibee and Lady will pull the bucket all the way up to get this special treat inside. Once again, this is to showcase how these birds use their beak and the beak. So let's see. Alright, there you go. Well, thank you so much for that, Jollibee, Lady, for doing a really great job. So, by the way, guys, the beak is made out of keratin, just like our hair and our fingernail. Okay, so if it's cut, it will grow again. Okay. Alright, so, and by the way, this bird is cyclodactyl animal, so cyclodactyl bird, which means, as you can see, in each feet, they have 4 toes, 2 pointing forward, and the other 2 is projecting backward, okay? And you can also see the scale of the feet. That's why this bird or these animals is closely related to the reptiles, okay? Just like snakes and other resorts. Now, birds, okay, they have strong chest muscle which they use to flip their wings so that they can lift their body through the air. So once you bring that lady one more time, she will show you how they use the wings and the tail. So like on a measure, look at that. Okay, see? She opened the tail, moving forward, and she landed. So without let's do a big round of applause once again for our good and protocol, lady, and of course, Jelly Bean. Okay, let's slow things down a little bit. And this morning, okay, you guys can come back here 10:45 a.m. Okay? But everybody needs to go get out first because we need to clean and sanitize the area. Thank you.
Thank you.